Hope you can see me now.
Yeah. I can see you.
Okay, okay. All right. So let's get started. If not,
Without
you another
wasting.
another problem will come. Because
Okay.
I'm fed up with this, technical issues. Sometimes voice does not come. Sometimes screen freezes, right? So these
Mhm.
problems always come in uh, online sessions.
Yes. Even I am, getting frustrated of this, glitches, technical glitches and all.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Me too.
let's start. So today's topic, we have decided to speak on risk. What kind of person you are? You like to take risk in your life, when it comes to uh, changing your job or in your personal life, or you just, you're a kind of guy, no, I just want to be in my comfort zone. When things become worse, then I make plan and take calculative risk. What is your perception? Is it good to take risk or not?
Yeah, in my opinion, not taking risk is a big risk, right? So always take risk. So it will be,
Okay.
it may be beneficial, or there are some advantages and disadvantages, of course, in taking risk. But if we don't take risk in life, then I think we don't achieve that, we don't get that as we wish, right? As we dreamed of, right? So we
Mhm.
have to take risk, and we have to get out of the comfort zone in which we have been living.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I always try to take risk, and in my perspective, there is a risk in everything, right?
Mm.
If I go to company on a regular basis, when I sit in the bus, that is also a risk. When I work in my company, that is also a kind of risk, right? So you know,
Certainly.
yeah. So everywhere is risk.
Mm. Okay, so you love taking risk. By taking risks, either you succeed in that or you will get experience. With that
Yeah.
experience, you will become more, mature. You will take more calculative risks, calculative, decisions, and
Mhm.
even with that experience, you can help others to make their lives, to take
Mhm.
their, decisions better.
Right, right.
Great. So,
You know,
have you
right,
ever? Mhm. Yeah, please go ahead.
right now, what happens actually? Everybody wants prize, but nobody wants to pay the price. This is what happens.
Yes,
Nobody is willing to sacrifice.
everyone wants to become rich. Who is rich wants to become richer, but nobody wants to, like as we have mentioned, nobody wants to struggle. That is
Yeah.
why people are finding easy ways. People are,
Mhm.
uh, finding easy ways to earn more and more money. They are not even thinking about what it impacts on, other people's life. If you take example of, food grains and, essentials,
Mhm.
every day, I read in newspaper and hear that, police scout people who are doing, mixability. They are doing, duplicate. They are, selling duplicate things and all.
Mhm.
They
Mhm.
are making, human beings, other fellow human beings life miserable just to earn money. They are
Mhm.
making others life, in danger. They are putting others life in danger. This is not at all good.
Yeah, definitely.
So
Mhm.
what I was asking you, have you ever taken, or have you ever, yeah, have you ever taken risk and you
Mhm.
got succeed after taking that risk, or you would like to share such experience?
See, I haven't taken any big risk, but yes, of course, small risk I always take, right? But in the future,
Mhm.
um, there is a big risk, bigger and bigger risk. which I haven't taken in my life. And let's see what happens next.
Okay. So is it related to your professional life or personal life?
Personal life, of course.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. That's completely
What about
fine.
you? Have you taken any risk, small risk
Yeah.
or bigger risk, and that you got success in that? Would you like to
No,
share?
unfortunately. Yeah, of course, I would love to share. You know, I love to share the stories, the incidents happen with me. I just need ears who can, patiently wants to listen. Then I am ready. I
Yes,
can,
yes.
talk for
I am
hours and hours.
curious. I am really
Okay, that's
curious to
great.
know.
Okay, I'm glad, someone is here who is showing, seriousness, listening to my story. Great. So yeah, uh, after coming back from Dubai, I did invest in did invest in clothing, ready-made garment business, men's
Oh,
ready-made garment business, and
mhm.
within 6 months of time, I along with my partner took decisions which did not came into our favor. Due to that, we incurred huge loss, and within just 6 months of time, I got a loss of around 8 to 9 lakh rupees.
Oh my God, it's a huge
Yeah,
loss.
yeah,
Hmm.
of course, it was a huge loss because you know I come from a very humble middle class family. So person who is coming from a this kind of background and losing such big amount at very small frame of time put you in trauma. So that was really bad experience of my life. But alongside, I have learned a lot of things. You should never ever believe in
Hmm.
other person until or unless even though that time I have learned that even though if you know a person very closely,
Hmm.
doesn't
Still,
matter if
still.
he's
Hmm.
when it comes to investing money, you should never ever
Hmm.
believe or trust. You should always be aware if you are doing business and taking a partner into that business. You should aware that what and what things you guys are doing and where you guys are investing and how much returns you will get from that. If everyone knows that if you are investing in something, there are chances of 80 to 90%, especially in the beginning of any business, chances of getting lost. So you should always be prepared. If you get lost, you should have a backup. Suppose if you are investing 1 lakh rupees, you should have a
Hmm.
backup another 1 lakh rupees. So you that if you get
Hmm.
lost, you can cope up with losses.
Okay. So
That
you mean to say, we should take calculated risks.
absolutely.
Okay.
That risks I did not it wasn't calculated risks. I was just
Hmm.
I thought as I have been to Dubai, I have got enough exposure, got
Hmm.
business, how people do business there and all. So I thought I was so mature, but
Hmm.
when I faced loss, I went literally, I got depressed, I was in trauma for 4 to 5 months. I couldn't understand how all that happened. Then again it took me several months to overcome with that loss, and again I started working. So yeah,
Right, right.
I've learned
If
it.
if I were in your place, I would not digest this because this is a huge loss.
No, you have to digest, you have to move on because life never stops, time never
Yeah.
stops for you. But that gave me a big lesson. I've learned a big lesson from that.
Yeah.
One small mistake I can say. I blindly
Mm-hmm.
trust in my friends. He was my friend's elder brother.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, he's still in your city or out of your city?
Still, yeah, he's still in my city. He lives near my home. But the thing is, I did not do. I did not, try to even harm him because his, younger brother is very closest friend of mine.
Okay.
So that is why I did not, even
Mm-hmm.
try to harm him. I said,
Mm-hmm.
okay, it was my mistake.
Mm-hmm.
Without knowing him personally, I invested money, and the biggest
Mm-hmm.
problem was, if you are going to invest in something, you should learn
Mm-hmm.
all the things from A to Z. You should aware. Then only
Mm-hmm.
you can take anyone into that
Right.
business, and you can start doing business. Otherwise, you
Mm-hmm.
should not do. You should not
Right.
invest.
Mm-hmm. From your story, one thing I learned, which is we should not believe blindly, right?
Yeah, absolutely,
It really doesn't, whether irrespective of your friend and even your childhood friend,
absolutely, absolutely.
anybody can deceive to anyone because after all, it's a money.
Yes, people are it is a long story. Some other day, I will share you if you get
Yeah.
connected personally, because this is not a right platform to share all this thing, because
Yeah.
if I
Mm-hmm.
share my personal things, I am going
Mm-hmm.
against the policies of this platform.
Platform. Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So yeah, you mentioned yesterday about the destination you wish to go, right?
Mhm.
But you didn't mention the place. I mean, uh, right?
I love to explore Europe.
Yeah.
Which country I have not decided yet, but in near future, I am planning to visit. I am planning to explore European cities, because I have heard from one of my friend who has already been. He
Mm-hmm.
went to Germany, France,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
Switzerland. He already
Mm-hmm.
explored most of the countries, and
Mm-hmm.
he shared his personal experience, which was quite good.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
from that day, I've decided, okay, if I
Mm-hmm.
start earning whatever
Mm-hmm.
in my head, then
Mm-hmm.
definitely I'm going to make a plan, and let's see
Mm-hmm.
whether I can execute it or not.
Definitely, you will execute. Okay, this is also kind of big risk, going out of the country, and uh, we are not safe at all. If anybody, so
If
it's a
you
big
start
risk.
thinking, yeah, yeah, I agree. I agree 100% that even many times we read in newspaper that people
Mhm.
uh, watching mobile phones for a longer period of time, they
Mhm.
lose their eyesight. It is
Yeah,
also a risk,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
We are
yeah.
taking a risk.
As I told you, in every activity there is a risk. It may be
Absolutely,
small
but
or bigger.
hmm, the impact will be small, or impact will be bigger. It
Mhm.
all depends how you are going to manage.
Manage. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. I think
So what I
other people have also joined here, right?
just before connecting you, I got connected with one girl from Odisha, I guess.
Okay.
So she was taking a demo.
Okay. She was taking a demo from you, right?
Yeah, from me. So because I guess because have shared the same link with you and with her as well.
Okay.
After
Okay.
even
Mhm.
after ending the session, she might have thought that, okay, she is she might have seen that, okay, this guy is live, so why should not I connect with him? Maybe.
Okay. 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 That's the thing. Okay. Because our cook is being done.
Yeah, I can
You can
hear the
hear
whistle
whistle.
whistle whistle sound. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
One more thing before proceeding further, I would like to let you know that I
Mm-hmm.
have a meeting. I have a
Okay.
meeting with a manager, which is going to start in next 5 minutes.
Oh, so we have only 5 minutes.
Yes, we have only
Okay.
5 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Please go ahead.
Mhm. Yeah. What do you think, about the advantages and disadvantages of risk?
Risk.
Yeah. See, there are
I
many
don't
disadvantages, but what about the advantages?
see, even if I talk about disadvantages,
Mhm.
suppose if you take any risk, suppose for example, you are working for Google and you are
Mhm.
earning, you know, you are getting good package, you are getting all the facilities. Even after that, you look for another job and the experience, the interview doesn't go well. So
Mhm.
what you would get from that interview, it is depends on you whether
Mhm.
you are taking that interview in positive way or in negative way. That will
Mhm.
impact on your health. If you take
Yeah.
it in negative way,
Mhm.
throughout the time you feel distress, you feel
Mhm.
what the heck. Even
Mhm.
after working for one of the leading multinational company, I could not able to clear the interview where I am lacking. So this
Mhm.
is not always happens, because we always feel like company rejects us. No, they don't reject. Sometimes they look for a candidate which
Mhm.
matches with their position.
Mhm.
So we should not feel like, okay, all in all, what I'm trying to say is, always try to take, uh,
Mhm.
things in positive way. So you will learn something.
Definitely. And the energy, inner energy, when you think positively, the energy creates inside,
Absolutely, absolutely.
isn't it?
Because the most, yeah, the biggest enemy is not, the biggest enemy of you is you only. Because,
You look in the
yeah,
mirror.
look in the
There is a
mirror.
power, right?
You are the enemy of your own self. Because
Yeah.
many times we think, whenever, every time, every day I'm interacting with at least two to three guys or girls, they always come up with the same questions. I
Mhm.
have a fear. I get nervous whenever I'm going to speak with anyone. So my answer, my question is, why are you even thinking that someone is listening to you, right?
Right.
Whenever, the moment we think that, okay, suppose you are in front of four people, and you, before opening your mouth, you think that, okay, this guy seems very good, they must have good command, they must have a good command over English. The
Mhm.
moment you think that, you
Mhm.
degrade yourself, you
Right.
demotivate yourself.
Mhm.
Don't let the
Mhm.
fear overcome
Mhm.
you. Be
Mhm.
calm. you know, just let whatever you have, let
Mhm.
it go out.
Right. Right. We just start comparing, right, to each other. This person seems very, fluent in English. So how can I stand
Absolutely.
in front of him or
Absolutely.
her, right? This is
Mhm.
what we think most of the time.
So we should not, we should not that thing come into our head. Then
Hmm.
only we will see the progress.
Right, right. Hmm. Hmm. Irrespective of people, we should start, practicing. We should
Hmm.
start interacting with the people if you want to learn this language, because the more you speak, the more you become fluent in this, especially in terms of learning this language.
Absolutely.
Right. Hmm.
Absolutely. If you want to become a fluent in this language, you have to speak, you have to interact, connect with as many people as you can,
Right. And different
share your
different words,
thoughts.
because there are number of words in English language, right? So, and if we are uh, if we speak regularly, then it's not impossible at all, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Within 2 months or 3 months, English learning is possible. I mean to say is survival English, right?
Hmm.
Survival
Absolutely.
English, not
Survival
fluent,
language.
but
Absolutely.
survival. Anybody can speak.
You know, what I have experienced, the more you get exposure, the more
Mhm.
you expose yourself to different situation,
Mhm.
you will more become comfortable speaking
Yeah.
in that situations. What
Mhm.
usually happens, suppose if you are interacting with only people who are
Mhm.
working in your IT company, you will become fluent whenever it comes to speak something related to technology. You speak
Mhm.
like water like this. The
Right.
moment someone asks you to speak on some other topic like scientific things or
Mhm.
railways or education, you will start taking pauses.
Flumbing, or
Yeah.
yeah. Mhm.
So try to indulge yourself in different situations
Mhm.
so
Mhm.
that you
Mhm.
can become more and more fluent. You will become habitual. You are
Mhm.
indirectly you are training your head
Right.
to be
Mhm.
ready. So whenever
Yeah.
you put yourself in any such kind of situation, your mind will
Mhm.
be ready to serve you
Mhm.
whatever required words, suitable
Right.
words.
Mhm. So in order to practice, these topics are very important, right?
Hmm.
Because in different topics we get different words to speak, and that
Absolutely.
is when we feel confident, because we have number of words, right? So
Yes.
hesitation goes away at that time when we
Hmm.
have a number of words,
Yes, absolutely.
right? And with the time we see, you know as we speak on a regular basis, in the same way our confidence builds, and you know that hesitation that we used to feel before, it's no
Will
longer,
get
right?
decreased.
It's
No,
yeah, will get
it will
decreased.
get decreased.
Yes. Yeah.
Slowly it will get decreased, and one
Yeah.
point of time you will not
Right.
hesitate to speak in front of one, in front of five, in front of hundred
Right.
people.
Mm-hmm.
But it is a different thing when it comes to speak effectively in front of
Mm-hmm.
10 people.
Mm-hmm.
It's called public speaking.
Mm-hmm.
That is a different topic. When
That
we
is a different.
connect next time, yeah, when we
Yeah.
connect next time, we'll have a conversation on that.
Yeah.
How we
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
develop. Mm.
Yeah, because I didn't get enough time to be prepare myself actually today. That is why.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Vikas sir sent me right, that
Mhm.
topic risk, but that point of time I was in company, right? So
Okay.
as soon as I reached home, and I went to market to get some
Okay.
vegetable, and there were a lot of things to do. So I didn't get that much time to prepare. But the
Okay.
tomorrow
Mhm.
or the day after tomorrow, we will have a wonderful topic to talk on,
Okay.
and
Sure.
we can prepare ourselves, right?
Sure. Sure.
According,
Absolutely. Okay. Till
yeah.
then, have a great time, and I'm getting late. I'm
Okay,
getting
okay,
messages as well to join.
okay. Thank you, sir. It was really nice
Okay.
talking to you.
Same here. It was wonderful talking to you.
All, all right. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.